What people won't tell you when starting up a business. You see all those motivational business quotes online, right? They won't tell you, it's not always sweet. So here are 5 things people won't tell you when starting up a business. My name is Peace Psyche, and my video is mostly on graphic designing and business management. Get so 5 things people won't tell you when starting up a business. The first thing is people won't support or buy from you at first. Yeah, your family or sometimes your friends won't buy from you or support you, not because they hate you. Calm down. Just that sometimes people buy things they have knowledge and understanding of. They can't just support something they don't really understand yet to get. So that's part of the process. And the next one is you do everything by yourself from the beginning. Yeah, you do everything by yourself from the beginning. From the packaging to the marketing to replying on message is all you. And sometimes this is kind of annoying, but it's normal. It has to be there to help you grow. There's sometimes you post your product and you see someone come in the comment section and ask, what is this? Like literally they are really seeing what it is, but they are still asking, what is this? What product is this? How does it work? Some will also come about to say, I've seen this kind of product before, even when they have not seen it. So some of all those things are kind of annoying, and don't ignore their message. Always reply messages. This help in your engagement. Sometimes what's the best thing to do to those kind of people is mostly the one that see what you're selling and say, ask you, what is this? You just kind of explain your product to them, tell them how it works, explain for them. They will be like, oh wow, tell me more. And when you're telling them more, they'll be like, even though they don't have money to buy that, they can refer you, and this is where you hit a big gig. So don't just ignore their message or say it's annoying. Though it's stressful, it's annoying, but it helps build you get. So the next is, which is the third one, is you doubt yourself a lot. Yeah, you're going to doubt yourself a lot. Sometimes you feel like quitting. Sometimes you just be like, let me just stop this business. It's not moving. It's not moving. Sometimes you feel like all your efforts, what you're doing is not really making sense. And mostly when it's more painful is when you see someone that you really started before, the same business you started before, and the person is making it. You're seeing the person comment section, this your product is premium, this is nice, how much is it, I need to buy this, send your account number. And you're seeing all those comments and you're feeling, oh my god, where am I I'm putting effort and it's not happening. What you even start saying, sometimes you go further to say some village people, but that's not it. You get, all those days you feel like quitting, all those days you feel like nothing is moving, you're part of the progress. It's not that you're failing, it helps you grow, it's keeping you pushing, and it makes you go and keep doing what you're doing. The next is you won't get profits immediately, and this is what most business people don't understand. They feel that if they start a business today, this week, next week, or more, they're still making money, they're still seeing profits. No, it's not the way business goes. You get, it's gradual process, it's consistency. See, sometimes this is what makes business fall. This is what makes business owners stop doing business, because they feel that they are not making profits. See, okay, yeah, you might sell and still not see profits. It's because you're investing, and that's part of growth. Don't feel like you're failing. Yes, don't feel like you're failing. With gradual time, as time goes on, you will see yourself making profits like mad. You get. So the next line is consistency is the real superpower. You get consistency. I made mention of something in my video last time. I said consistency always pays off. You get. No matter whether someone is clapping for you or not, just keep doing what you're doing. See consistency. Even when nobody's buying your products, you never see clients for 1 or let me say 3 months. You never see clients for the business way you do. Person never call you, contacts, never receive contacts, no biggie. You get, just keep designing if you're a designer. Just keep posting your product if you're a business owner. Keep posting what you do. One day, now you just hit one big like this. So this power of consistency, don't say. And also this consistency helps in doing something. It helps you separate you from those people that started early and left. They gave up. You that started with them, they'll start seeing you as a professional and they'll start looking up to you. You get, that feeling, they're looking up to you. Get. So that's the power of consistency. So these are just 5 things people won't tell you when starting up a business. So there are still more 5 that will be in part 2. So please do well to watch this video, do well to watch out for the part 2. Thank you very much for watching this video.